Hello guys, welcome to Tech Envy. Here on this channel, I help you to perform simple computer tricks and hack you can simply do all by yourself without the aid of anyone. If you want to know more, please subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell to be the first person to view any video I upload. See you in the next seconds. On this video, I'm going to teach you a simple hack that you can easily access your cracked phone screen on your laptop or PC. Let's get into the video. But before, you have to download this screen using the link under the description. Make sure you watch this video to the very end to show you how to download this screen and how to go about it. Go ahead and open your command prompt and run it as administrator. Yes. Now inside your command prompt window, type cd. You leave space and then you type ... You strike the enter key. Type cd again. Leave space ... Strike enter. cd. You leave space. Capital S. Your spelling screen, and then you strike the enter key. Now here type adb devices and strike the enter key. Now when you get here, connect your phone to your laptop or your computer using USB cable and allow network debugging. Let me show you how you can allow the network debugging. Now on your phone, you go to settings. Scroll down to about phone. Tap on it. Scroll down to the build number and tap on it 7 times. And go back 1 step. Now the developer options. Tap on it. Scroll down to debugging, USB debugging, and allow it. As you can see, I've allowed it. And go back to your command prompt window and type SCRCPY and then strike enter. So there you will see your phone screen showing nicely on your laptop or your PC. As I said earlier in the video, let me show you how you can get this screen. The link under the description below, click on it. When you click on it, it will open a window like this to you. Then you go ahead and download it over here. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. Now when you get it, just extract it to your local disk C or extract it anywhere and copy the folder to your local disk C. Let me show you how I did mine. This is your local disk C and this is the screen. This is where I came to paste it. Now when you are done, just follow the steps I showed you earlier in the video and view your phone screen on